Tourism is the most active activity in our country. There are several types of tourism. Among them are ecotourism, agro-tourism, health tourism, and others. However, the type of tourism that suits the topic being studied is agro-tourism. Agro-tourism is a very active tourism activity. This is because Malaysia is a country rich in natural products obtained from agriculture activities. The main agency that develops agro-tourism is the Ministry of Agriculture and Agro-based Industry, while the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture helps from the promotion aspect. Among the research objectives found in this study are identifying the factors the community needs to choose TENOM coffee in Sabah and identifying the advantage of coffee TENOM among the community in Sabah. The obvious problem is that the specialty of coffee TENOM is still less well known or less known among the people of Sabah. And the community needs to choose TENOM coffee and the advantages of TENOM coffee, which are still lacking. Next part is methodology. The study used a quantitative method by distributing questionnaires to the respondents, the people of Sabah, to obtain data or information about the product being studied. The study also used an analysis method, which is by analyzing through a distributed questionnaire. This analysis is based on the questionnaire that has been answered by the respondent. The researcher will analyze and re-record the data and information obtained from the questionnaire form. The purpose of using these two methods is to ensure that the information and data about the TENOM coffee product are stronger.
The first factors needed to choose TENOM Coffee Sabah is because the quality of coffee produced by TENOM Coffee Factory. Quality can be defined as the nature or characteristic of a product or service that can contribute to the satisfaction and needs for the customers. Most of the coffee processed at TENOM Coffee Factory is made using traditional methods, so the quality of the coffee itself is guaranteed and maintained. Next is the price of TENOM Coffee Sabah is reasonable. The pricing of a product also plays a role in its marketability of the product. We can see that TENOM Coffee Sabah has a variety of products with different tastes and packaging, and the price of each coffee is also quite reasonable and affordable for customers to buy it. So the proof is that coffee produced by TENOM Coffee Sabah has marketed to other regions for sale. For example, it also marketed to Sarawak. Apart from that, the taste of TENOM Coffee Sabah is also comparable to other imported coffee. Good taste also causes the presence of a product to influence people to buy and choose that product. We know that TENOM coffee produced in its ways and maintain the old method to the era globalization until right now, making it a coffee that is also comparable to other imported coffees. By just arriving at TENOM area Sabah, we can already feel the aroma in the entire of the TENOM town. So, TENOM coffee is on par with other imported coffees to the point that it has become one of the places that attract the attention of people in Sabah as well people in Peninsula and Sarawak.
Okay, so next is this product is the first coffee to have its own factory in Sabah. So this product has its own factory in TENOM Sabah and has been established on 1916 by Mr. Yong Long Van. So this factory is one of the oldest and one of the most famous coffee factory in Sabah. The first this make Sabah the first district to have a coffee factory in Sabah with the product market covering the entire state of Labuan and North Sarawak. The next is Sabah local product. As we know that Yit Food Coffee is centered in TENOM Sabah, and this product is one of the product that represent product that made in Sabah. And this coffee is an icon and the pride of the people in TENOM since decade ago. For your proof, there was a large monument located in the middle of the TENOM town that represents the coffee of the town. So meaning that the coffee is very meaningful for them. Okay, last is the attraction of TENOM coffee. So we know there must be some coffee attractions. So one of it is the smell of the fresh coffee. The way they process the bean of the coffee make the coffee smell so fresh. And second is the coffee roasting technology. Meaning here they're not using technology, modern technology. They still use traditional coffee processing methods to maintain the original aroma of the TENOM coffee that make people love it so much. They maintain the aroma of the coffee that smell original like coffee bean.
Got kick.
I'm Dayang Nofazatul Fitri binti Awalandi, nometric BA22110655. I will talk about advantage of TENOM coffee among the community in Sabah. So there are three aspects of benefit advantage of TENOM coffee. Firstly is from a health aspect. There are 5 in there. The thing from a health aspect that I will talk is protect yourself from diabetes, lowering the risk of getting cancer, lowering the risk of getting depression, increasing energy and physically ability, and enhancing anti-aging. The second is tasty and unique coffee taste for each different type of coffee. And lastly is proprietary production and preparation techniques. That's all.
In conclusion, the uniqueness of a product important to provide new experiences and satisfaction to the community. This study was conducted to identify the factors that the community needs to choose TENOM coffee in Sabah and to study the advantage of TENOM coffee among the community in Sabah. There are several factors and advantage people need to choose TENOM coffee in Sabah, which is quality of coffee produced by the TENOM coffee factory itself. Hence, the main advantage is lowering the risk of getting cancer. That's all from us. Thank you.